Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to run a C program in Visual Studio the easiest way. So first you have to go to Visual Studio. You can type Visual Studio in your search and it's the Visual Studio 2019. So you will go to create a new project and you click here and then you type empty, the search, you want to type empty project, and you're looking for C++. We run in C, but Microsoft doesn't have a straight platform for C, so we have to use the C++ to run the C program. So that's why we're choosing C++ here. Okay, so we have to take this empty project here using C++. You have C# here, but don't worry about it because I'm doing some other stuff. So you're using the C++ here. Okay, so when you click on it and then you click next here, now you have to type a project name. Maybe let's type project homework 1. Okay, so you can type project homework 1 and then you click create. And then you wait. Now you create it. If you look at on the right hand side here, you have Solution Explorer and you have source file, resource file, source files here, and external dependencies. So you need, because we want to make a source file, so you have to go to source. You right click here, you see, and then you go to add. And then you go to add new item. Now you have to be on Visual Studio C++ and you're trying to create, a C code. So you click here. Now the trick here, you see, this is the name you're going to give. Now, because we don't have a straight C platform, so we're using the C++ platform, but here you change the name of your file. Instead of C++, CPP, you type C, and you can pretty much write maybe exercise 1. So exercise 1 here, and now this is where your solution is going to be. It means that if you want to go look for this file, you have to make sure that you take this one into account here, you see. So I have repo and project homework 1 twice, because I create many. So this is where you go to be able to see your solution, and especially if you're looking for this file. Okay, I can even try to, maybe I'm not gonna maybe let me leave, or maybe let me change here. Okay, doesn't matter. So you can put anything here. Your file is gonna be here. Okay, and then you click. Make sure that you take note, especially if you are looking for this file later. Make sure that you go to your source, and then you click add. Now this is where you're gonna write your code here. You see, it's exercise.c. okay, the extension has to be .c because this is a C program, and because I already have code here, I'm just gonna take it. Okay, so if I paste it here, now this is a C program, and this one here, the pound include, this is a preprocessor, is the in the header file. So it means that this one will be done first, is basically bringing library, the standard input output header, especially those are functions here, print, f, and return. So especially print. Okay, printf is a function already designed by Microsoft. Okay, so you have this function, but to be able to have this function work, you need to import this guy here. So it means that before the program compile, so it will import this library here. Okay, standard header or standard input output. Okay, and then you have a main. Okay, it's the main function. Okay, so and printf is, you have printf. It means that print this name here, print this date of birth, and print these things here. Okay, and then it returns 0 if everything compiled cleanly, and the return function is int. It's an integer. That's what is here. Okay, so the int here means that the return function. It means that this main function return a data type which is integer because of return 0 here. So once you have these things running, you see there is, you can build it. You can build the solution by clicking here, and you can look at down here. Everything's work fine. Build 1 success, 0 fail, update. And yeah, now to run it, you can press Control F5, but you can also see the Control F5 here. You see Control F5. Either you can click Control F5 or you click here, Start without debugging. Okay, so it's up to you. You can click Control F5 on the keyboard, or you can just press this one here, so it will do the same thing. And when you do that, you have the output here. Okay, so this one here, print, means that print this part here. That's what is print here. Okay, and date of birth is here, and then mobile number is here. Okay, so this is the output, and that's basically, the output you can give to your professor. So that's basically how you run a C program in Visual Studio. And you can look at it, exit with code 0, or press any key. If you press any key, it disappears. Or you can go back again and just press Control F5. Okay, you will see that. Now assume that you want to see how to get this file, like I told you. So you can click, if you want to get this file here, the link you have before, you have to go there to find. So mine is exercise 1.c. So if I go to let's see, if you go to your C file here, you can, so I'll go to users. This is how you can find the file. That's why that link I show you is very important. You go to source code, and then you can, I think that's what's here, and then you have the file here. Okay, exercise exercise 1.c. C means that is the C source. Okay, and and from here you can always go back, because this one here is your project here. Okay, so if you extend this one here, so this is your project here, and then you can right click and open it with, and then you can go back and forth, and you can go back to your code here, and I don't know this guy. So that's the code here, and that's how you run it. You can even do it again here by Control F5. Fine, it should give you the answers. And that's how you run a C program in Visual Studio. So I show you how to run the code, and even I show you how to see this C on your hard drive the location where you can get it and you can send it to anybody. So thank you very much, and that's it.